Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to respond to buyer requests on Fiverr. This is what you do to respond to buyer requests on Fiverr. 1. Personalize your response. You can use the buyer's name and reference their project details. Always use the buyer's name actually and reference their project details. Secondly, be concise and professional. Highlight your skills, experience, and how you can solve their problem. Thirdly, include a portfolio link. Show samples of your past work, like Fiverr gig or external link if allowed. And fourthly, offer a clear next step, like I would love to discuss this further. Let me know if you would like a custom offer. Now here are the mistakes to avoid. Copy-pasting generic replies. Buyers ignore spammy templated responses. Second mistake, over-promising. Don't say I'll deliver in 1 hour if you cannot. Thirdly, ignore instructions. If they ask for samples, provide the samples. And lastly, being pushy. Do not say, order now or lose this chance. No. So here's a pro tip. Stand out by adding a quick tip related to their request. For example, for better engagement, I recommend adding captions to your video